Hello friends, welcome to Sashi Share, knowledgeable by sharing. Today we are going to discuss on the WinPE bootable environment. What is WinPE? Basically, it is a Microsoft provided Windows pre-environment which you can say as a mini OS which will be help you to get to the system without installing it. So you can run your scripts, you can run your commands, or you can troubleshoot it as well the system. So the WinPre script will be developed from the Microsoft. So to install it into a pen drive or into a ISO file or into some pen drives, you need few tools, which is Windows Microsoft is providing itself. So what is that? That is a ADK tool. So the link will be in the description. You can find it out. Okay. So this Microsoft tools need to be installed whenever you have to install this DISM tool. So this will make you enable for the DISM tool, which is basically to make the system bootable. DISM, it is there. Also, you need deployment and image configuration tool. Okay, this environment will make you to the system. Okay, here I will launch the CMD and show you how to prepare it. Okay, for example, you have to put into C drive uh, the tool, so you can do it by your own. How? Let me put you the command. Here is the first command, which will make the system clean and before the imaging. Okay, let me paste it anyway. So here it is the DISM get mounted info. So it will check any image is still mounted in the system currently. Also, after that second command, it will clean any window imaging file is mounted, and then it will again check whether still anything is there. So that is the only command. Okay, so by this you can ensure like any pre-environment is not loaded or is loaded, then it should have to scan it. Okay, so it is scanning and the operation is completed successfully. So by this you will ensure that okay, there is no mounted device or there is some mounted. You can see still there is something mounted. Okay, and let me clear it. Okay, so this is successful. Okay, now we will go and create one new one. So the first one is to copy P. Okay, so this will make a folder. It will create the directory. Okay, sorry, I think the script is not getting installed. Let me delete it. Okay, so that we can clean it and we can restart. Okay, let's. Okay, we will make it something quick. We will just add 64 with underscore remove. Okay, so the folder will be get created now and it will be generated. Okay, this will be start mounting and it will take some time to make it up. So while this is getting mounted, let's discuss on the other things. So why WinPE came to picture? Basically, the WinPE is eligible to make the system into bootable mode so that you can run any script like your custom scripts, or you want to run any custom tool from the command, so that you can know. So now the copy is done. Okay, so apart from that, you can mount it to the system, so that now you can see I'm just mounting it, pasting anyway. So here is this one. It is saying, okay, sorry, already I have mounted, so that's why. So it is already mounted and it will show. Okay, so now you can see, you can go to the C drive and you can see without underscore, and in the mount section, in the media section, you can see. Okay, sorry, I think we have made some mistake. It's underscore. We need to remove it. That's why it's showing still the old one. Okay, it will be now fine. Okay, that's all. So this will mounting the image and it will show you up. Once it is mounted, you can see in the mount folder, all the files will be there. See here. Here you can add a folder called scripts, and you can put your scripts like PowerShell commands or PowerShell scripts inside it to access it on the boot time. So all these program files, windows, everything will be there. Okay, which will be there. So that is the thing. In the runtime, if you need for the scripts any kind of the WMI or .NET libraries, the basic scriptings like VB script and JScript, then PowerShell, then you need to add few packages. So these are the packages. I'll put up all these commands to the description so that you can get use of it. Okay. So that will be the commands, and based on your folder requirements, you can change it, as this is giving error because of our that folder name underscore p winpe.md. Okay, so that's the thing. All this will be get installed later on. Once you finished up everything, you can commit the image so that your image will be get ready for the deployment into the pen drive or anywhere you want. Okay, once you run this command, it will commit with the changes whatever we did, and it will be get ready. Okay, that's right. You can see the progress as well, everything, and here it will be going into the system. I will share the both the links of the both the tool. So the two tool need to be installed before these operations will be performed. If you come to here, now you can see the mount is empty because of everything is into the boot. To make it is ISO or directly to pen drive, you can use this next command. So here you can see make WinPE media. Okay, and I'm just taking the complete WinPE empty totally to the ISO. Okay, so that it will be perform all the ISO operations. Okay, I will keep it like this so that it is creating the WinPE ISO. This ISO file will be generated with the same location or wherever you want to put. For example, in our case, this is the one. Okay, so you can just uh, load this ISO to the pen drive, or you can load the files also to the pen drive so that it will be make bootable in the runtime. Just you have to enable the boot time configuration, where the boot configure will be set to the particular thing. In upcoming videos, I will show you how to make self-bootable without a pen drive as well. So that's all for this video. Thank you.